Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with UNILORIN post UTME past question. Question 9. A person who flies an aircraft is called A captain, B a craftologist, C a pilot, and D an aeronautics engineer. A person who flies an aircraft is called. Now, who is a captain? A captain is a high grade licensed official. Now, this high grade licensed official is called a mariner, and he holds ultimate command in a ship. Now, a captain is in charge of ships. He's the boss in a ship. Now, whenever there's people are sailing, there's always a captain who like his main function is to oversee the affairs of that sail. We have a craftologist. Now, well, this word I searched for the meaning, and there's actually no meaning for the word. Now, in some of these questions, some words that are not existing or some words that do not exist will be put there just to confuse. So this craftologist is actually out of it. An aeronautics engineer. Now, an aeronautics engineer is an is a person that is responsible for the development of aircraft and spacecraft. So his function is development of aircraft and spacecraft. So now the design and development of plane is the function of an aeronautics engineer. So this is actually out of it too. This is out of it. This is out of it. Now we have a pilot. Now a pilot is a trained personnel that flies plane or is responsible for the flying of planes. Now this is the person that flies aircraft, studies in the aviation company or aviation schools, but then the main function of a pilot here is to fly plane, and this is the correct answer. A pilot. C, option C. So option C is the correct option. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.